The Level 6 Diploma in Accounting and Business is an advanced program that provides individuals with a comprehensive understanding of accounting principles and their application in a business context. This course covers a wide range of subjects, including financial reporting, management accounting, taxation, auditing, and business strategy. The qualification is regulated by the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, Ofqual, which regulates qualifications in England. Level 6 diplomas are equivalent to Professional Graduate Certificate in Education, graduate diplomas and certificates, and Year 3 of a 3-year UK bachelor's degree. The Level 6 Diploma in Accounting and Business is a 120-credit qualification consisting of 6 units of 20 credits each. The qualification is delivered fully online, in 2 duration modes, 6-month fast track and 9-month standard mode. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by LSIB, and externally verified by the awarding body via submission of assignments. Successful completion of this qualification enables learners to progress into or within employment, or join our Masters in Accounting and Finance, or Level 7 Diploma. Get affordable education designed for you and reach new heights in your career. Visit www.lsib.co.uk today.